Hello everyone, I am Pastor Bevan Benjamin, the Director of Sabbath School for the Tobago Conference of Seventh-day Adventists, and welcome to this tutorial on how to properly complete your Sabbath School records. Keeping accurate and timely records is vital for the smooth operation of your Sabbath School, and today we'll walk through the steps needed to fill out the record book correctly. Overview of the record book. This is the Sabbath School Action Unit record and directory. It is used to track vital information about each member of your class throughout the year. Let's take a closer look at how to use it. Recording names and details. At the start of the year, the secretary should write down the names and contact information for each class member. This includes names, addresses, birthdays, and phone numbers. As new members join, their details should be added. Remember, this section is crucial for tracking attendance and maintaining contact with members. Weekly attendance and participation. Each week, record the number of members present, including visitors and prospective members. Make sure to also note how many members are following the daily study plan, which is an essential part of spiritual growth. Outreach and follow-up. In the members to be reclaimed section, list members who haven't attended recently and might need extra attention. It's important to note any visits made to these members in the missing members visited section. Following up with missing members is a key responsibility for Sabbath school leaders to ensure no one is left behind. Mission offering and expenses. Don't forget to record the weekly mission offering and Sabbath school expenses. This helps to ensure that contributions are tracked accurately, and it allows the class to work towards its offering goals. Always count the offering and report it to the class immediately. What gets monitored, brethren, gets done. Miscellaneous information. You'll also find space to note any special visits, remarks about class members, or other important information. Be sure to use this section to track any progress in outreach efforts or specific requests from members. In conclusion, accurate record keeping helps your Sabbath school stay organized and connected. Remember to update your records every week and ensure that you are recording attendance, offering, and outreach information diligently. Doing so will help us work together as we grow spiritually and spread a message of hope. Thank you for your dedication. Now that we have covered the weekly Sabbath school record, let's move on to the quarterly reporting form that must be submitted to the conference. This form summarizes your class's activities, growth, finances, and outreach efforts over the past quarter. Let's go section by section. Section 1, Basic Information. Begin by writing the name of your church and selecting the quarter ending you're reporting for. Also take note of the due dates. First quarter, the due date is May the 1st. Second quarter, August 1st. Third quarter, November 1st. And fourth quarter, February 1st. Section 2, Sabbath School Ratings. Next, you'll rate your Sabbath School's performance in various areas from 1 low to 10 excellent. These include cordial greeters, harmonious praise, penitent prayer, inspirational mission stories, knowledgeable teachers, Christian fellowship, and more. Be honest and thoughtful, as this helps identify the strengths and growth areas within your Sabbath school. Section 3, Division Attendance. Record the number of members in each age division. Create a roll that's 0 to 3 years old, kindergarten 4 to 6 years, primary 7 to 9 years, juniors 10 to 12, early teens 13 to 15, youth 16 to 18, young adults 19 to 30 years, and adults 31 and above. Extension division, and this includes shut-in members. Section 4, leadership and training. Here you'll indicate leadership development activities. What is happening in your Sabbath school to build the capacity of your leaders? Did your Sabbath school leadership host or attend training? Did you have a Sabbath school council meeting? How many certified teachers and leaders are in your local church? Did your team engage in advanced planning? Section 5, mission participation. Report the following: average daily lesson study participation, number of active branch Sabbath schools, participation in mission giving, number of branch Sabbath school baptisms, guest day visitors and baptisms, decision day baptisms, and total baptisms for the quarter. Section 6, nurturing and retention. Complete these based on your nurturing activities: new members class, teacher home visits or calls, fellowship activities for new converts, participation in evangelism, number of baptisms directly from Sabbath school classes, new converts studying in his steps. Section 7, finances. Enter your Sabbath school expenses and mission offerings for the quarter. Ensure accuracy by consulting your weekly offering totals. Section 8, resources. Confirm if Bible studies were conducted and whether Sabbath school guides were offered and distributed accordingly. Once the form is completed, please ensure it is reviewed by your Sabbath school superintendent or pastor. Then submit it to the conference. This information helps us assess our spiritual health and outreach effectiveness. Remember, accurate reports are a reflection of an active, growing, healthy, and caring Sabbath school. Your commitment to this process helps us stay mission-focused and member-centered as we prepare for the second coming of Jesus. May God bless each and every one of you.